out there? Any relief in the future?
Let's see. May or June,
Right.
I would say.
By summertime.
By then, I know I'm being a smart aleck. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
But it's just, it's really going to take a while to shake off this really cold air. And we've got another chance to maybe see some snow, and just snow this time. Let's take a look at the next 7 days, and into the deep freeze we go. And as you can see, we've got temperatures, daytime highs only in the 20s and low 30s. We're not going to get above freezing, I don't think, until about Saturday, and that's after we get another chance of snow. And this time it looks like, and I'll explain why, it's going to be all snow and not this mixy mess that we had with this particular winter storm. Average high is 46, and as you can see, we're going to go 18, 20, 16, 14, 13 degrees below the normal and stay there. But with highs this low, that means overnight lows are going to be in the teens and possibly even in the single digits. I think that Wednesday night into Thursday morning could be the coldest as far as what's going to happen this week as far as the coldest temperatures. 26 right now, and still low clouds. I don't think we're going to get rid of those tonight or even tomorrow. It may take until Wednesday before enough dry air begins to work in here and scour out the clouds. And there's still a few passing flurries flying by. Even downtown, we're continuing to see that. The temperature at 26. From the airport, it's 28. The winds are coming out of the northwest at 5, producing a wind chill of 23, but at times the winds are kicking up even more, 10 to 15, and that wind chill factor goes down into the teens once the winds go up. So here's the leftovers of that system now moving out of eastern Kentucky. The flow here is coming out of the north and west thanks to a big ridge of high pressure which is off to the west. But the cloud cover, because moisture is trapped here, it's going to stay. I think we're going to stay cloudy, cold tonight. I don't think there will be much in the way of sun tomorrow. So I'm going to call it mainly cloudy and cold. And even as we get into Tuesday evening, into Wednesday, there may be some gradual or partial clearing. But these clouds are just going to be stubborn, and it's going to be tough to get rid of those. Not until we get into Wednesday night, and into Thursday. Then we focus on the next system. Now, you've got to keep in mind the groundwork of cold air, the foundation has been laid here with this last system. That's not going to change. Let's look ahead to Friday, and here we go. This time, the moisture is going to come up from the Gulf of Mexico. We call that overrunning moisture because of the cold air that's in place. All of it will be in the form of snow. How much? Maybe a couple of inches. We'll just have to wait and see how this thing tracks and how it develops. But there is a very good chance we could see all snow as we get into Friday and even into part of Saturday. So stay tuned. 17 tonight, cloudy and cold, maybe still a passing flurry. And then tomorrow, we're going to keep it cloudy, 28 to 14. But then Wednesday, 26 to 9 by Thursday morning, 30, 32 with that chance of flurries, or I'm sorry, snow showers on Friday, then flurries left over on Saturday. And we finally get above freezing as we get into the upcoming weekend. Here's what's coming up tonight on the networks of WNKY, NBC, CBS, and